What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tate, back at it with another video. And in this video, we are gonna do a Valentine's Day look. But it's not just any Valentine's Day look. This look is the beginning of our monochromatic series that we will be doing on my channel. If you do not know, I am the queen of monochromatic looks, okay, hunty? I like to match everything from the lips to the eyes to the cheeks to the best of my abilities. You know, I try to make everything flow. And that's what I did today with the pink. Now, y'all know I love me a good pink or purple, so I had to show out for this one. And I really love how it came out. And if you love how it came out, make sure you go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up already. Pause the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. All that good stuff. And let's get straight into the video. The video. The video. The video. So what's up, Tater Tots? Let's address the obvious in the room. My hair is blonde. I bleached it. If you want to see my feelings and, you know, get an update, caught up on this, go ahead and make sure that you are keeping up with my hair vlogs. It will come up in the eye somewhere. I think it's over here, but I might be wrong. You know, over here, over there, wherever it is. But yeah. Hey, y'all, I'm back. Brows are on. And my eyes are primed. I just used my LA Girl Concealer in Natural for my actual lid, and then I use my e.l.f. concealer, chemical concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate for my eyebrows, to cover my eyebrows, and I use my Easy Breezy Brow, as y'all know, for my eyebrows. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild All Natural palette. This is an oldie but goodie, and I'm going to blend my eyes together. So I'm starting off with this shade right here. It's a very this shade is very ashy. And I'm kind of going for a mauve pink for this look. I'm using the Beige Cosmetics Smoky Brush Set. And it's just a big one. The brush set is pretty cheap, so if you see it though, you will know which one this is. I think it's still on their site. Next, I'm going to go into my Beige Cosmetics Glamorous Blush Palette. It's a 10-color blush palette. And it looks like this. I'm going to take this shade in an AOA Studios E129 brush, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm going to take that color across my lid with the same brush. I'm just looking down into my mirror. Now that we've kind of set our lids, I'm going to go in with an AOA Studios 128 brush, and I'm going to take this burgundy shade, and I'm going to put that on our outer V, and I'm going to brush it kind of into our crease. Now, what you want to do then is you want to go in with the Beige Cosmetics, a clean AOA Studios E127 brush, and you want to blend those edges, and you want to hold it just from the edge, just to softly blend those edges. And so I'm going to add just a little bit more of that burgundy color, just because I feel like we kind of lost it. Kind of became a little gray, the burgundy. I'm going to take an AOA Studios E113 brush and a little bit of my NYX Mix and Medium, and I'm going to put that on my lid right over where we placed that blush shade, and a little bit into our crease, just to help the shadow that we're going to place down stick down. And I'm patting this on my lid. I'm not rubbing, I'm patting. And then on top of that, we're going to flip our E129 brush over, and we're going to go into this shade right here, and you're going to brush it on lightly. First you're going to pat, and then you want to brush really lightly. For some reason, I've really been loving glitter, so I'm going to take a little bit of my Nicka K Radiant Eyeshadow in the shade Orchid Titan. It's in RE12, and I'm going to take just a little bit of that and put that on my lid. And I'm going to place a little bit down, And then I'm going to blend it out with this brush. This is just a brush I got from a Morphe set, and it's just like a fluffy lid brush. It has been my tried and true for the last few years. So what you want to do is you want to wipe a little bit of this off before you put on your lid, and then you want to put on your lid, and you want to blend it out. I do it like this because this stuff crumbles. It does flake off, so I found that the best way to apply it is to put it on your face and then to blend it out really good. And now you want to go back over it just a little bit with that pink shade just to help blend it out. Our eyes are done for now, and we're going to go into our face. We're going to use our NYX hydrating primer, and we're going to mix that with our D80 from the CoverGirl Matte Made foundation. This combo has just been such a beautiful combo for me, so that's why I've been using it. I know it's like, why would you mix a matte and a hydrating foundation? It does seem a little bit crazy, but I find that I like the finish that it gives me. And so I'm going to go in with my trusty AO Studios F6 brush, and I'm going to blend this out. Now I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in D60, and I'm going to use that as my highlight. So we're going to take our AO Studios F19 brush, and we're going to blend this out. I'm going to switch to my Elf Flawless Foundation brush because I think that it looks a lot better. Now we're going to take our Elf concealer at our highest point. So I'm going to put it right here. And this is the Elf Camo Concealer in the color Rich Chocolate. And then you're going to take your AO Studios F19 brush and blend that out. And you want to blend this out fast. I always blend out my chin. I always blend out my chin and my forehead first because those are the places I need the least coverage. I need the most coverage under my eyes. So I always blend that place out last. I'm back. My camera died, but all I did was started baking my face with my Laura Mercier. And we're going to start on the rest of our face. I'm taking the AOA Studios F20 brush and my Black Radiance contour palette in dark to deep, and I'm using that Sculpt shade in the middle. I'm going into my Sahara palette. I'm using a mixture of B and Lena to put blush on my cheeks. I'm starting off with B because B is a very mauve color. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics, I'm using my AOA Studios F28 brush to blend. Next is highlighting. For highlight, it's only right to go into my sleek highlighting palette. This is the Love Shock palette. It has all of these beautiful pinky colors that I love. And I'm going to go in with this pink right here. And I started getting into pink blush when I was in college because this girl I went to college with, her name is Carlissa. She would always wear pink blush. Pink highlight. And it just made me fall in love with the whole idea of having pink highlight on my face, and I just never wanted to go back. And you see how the highlight just blends in with your blush, kind of? I'm using the AOA's 132 brush to add this highlight to my inner corner and to add it to my brow bone. And for my final, just a little kapow, I'm going to take an AOA Studios F34 brush. I'm going to take the light pink in this palette, which is this shade up here, and I'm going to add that to the very highest points of my cheeks. I'm going to take my Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Evil Twin, and I'm going to line my lips with this color. Okay, we're going to do our wing liner, and then I'll be back. because if I do this on camera, I'm probably gonna cry. So I'm gonna do my wing liner off camera and then I'm gonna come back. I went and finished my eyeliner and I put my lashes on and I added this cute little heart right here. And baby, I am loving this look. I'm loving this look. And if you're loving this look, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Give me a big, huge thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Give me some cute little purple hearts. Comment different looks that you might want to see for different colors. Give me some ideas, you know, of what y'all would like to see, because I would like to incorporate that. Make sure that you go ahead and share this video too, because y'all know we need to get more people into this potato family already. Y'all know that. And then last but not least, what you gotta do? What you gotta do? You gotta subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can grow with your girl. So you can grow with your girl. So you can grow with your girl. Break it down. Break it down. Break it down. And give me some advice. What would you want me to do? Do you want some more neons versus the muted? How would you like to see it? Hold on, guys. My twin's calling me.